drop of water can cause a flood. A straw can break the camel's back. And so A is the operative word. A person, a hand, a mind, a vision, a direction, a purpose fulfilled in a day makes a difference. And so what we are here today gathered to do is make a difference. A group of people. There is no substitute for a warm heart. That makes all the difference in the world for change.
It's truly been a blessing to have an organization come in and help with the struggling neighborhoods. Having the guys to come in and demo the kitchen, and get the old appliances out. Also, the helpers that are doing work in the bathrooms. Then up in the sanctuary, having somebody to be able to climb up and change out some fixtures for me. So all the hands is a blessing.
Something as simple as shoveling snow for a person makes the world of a difference for someone who can't get out and do it themselves. When that man was saying those words about how a single person can change the world, and he just kept using that word, and it all starts with one thing. If I can be a little nugget of that, it makes me happy, it makes me go home like a happier person. Not just a happy person, a better person.
I was a little bit less fortunate when I grew up, so it feels good to give back to people that were in similar situations as I was when I was growing up, and I know what it's like to not have, and it definitely sucks. So it's time to give back to people that don't have.
It's so easy to serve. I mean, everybody has a gift, and to share that gift is part of serving.
I would challenge everybody here at Power just to kind of get out there, challenge yourself, do some volunteer work, go get uncomfortable, Definitely wasn't something that I had ever done, and I wasn't sure really what to expect from it, and I definitely wasn't comfortable going into it. But I left there honestly a better person, so I just challenge everybody to go get uncomfortable and make yourself a better person. Power is more than just home remodeling. It's about bettering yourself and being a better individual. So I challenge all you guys to go out there and get it done.